the guy. About a guy man, they'll try to open all that. So, what if
your hair, original hair, for all collector, you see the man doesn't want
let me original. Say I on the shake. Why they drink? I on the shake.
Abusiafo ababa we be ne boyfriend epie ye senya ye nyina ye nim say mbaba wa ene your boyfriend epie a ye hotaye ende na ye oda we no nam so amaba wa yi eko oda class azul eno nam so amachese abusiafo pani ekohwe ne ekoso ewo honum mu amuni class azul no chese no ene da screen so a wo hwei yade bia ne bo edin ye pa enya asem se no nam so amachese wa abra baba we oda ade yi endie boy yi atopia afejan chese hwehwe ne ba bia ye hunu endie sin pa ene koso e restaurant na se hotel ko a sa ababa we ene ne boyfriend ekopiem ewo we eno nam so amachese obi domfo bi eba ye se wo betua ekai ede ama ababa we na chese nkofo ehu video yi ewo social media so no mo si ababa we hook up ana afensu hotel manager yi ene kotua ka ede ma no ebusia ebia na video wunya bi enhweye na chese mu ewo rempa wa bra na nkofo atwa baba we hu ahia na chese all sort of things omo ekeka ede atwe na abrante na otua ka ede ma no oka asem bi ebusia ewo video no mu yenhwɛ ne yekoso ewo ho no
Where's that phone? Call the guy. Broadcast are high test. You ask call the number. About a guy man, they'll try to open all that. So, what if
your hair, original hair, for all collector, you see the man doesn't want
let me original. Say I on the shake. Why they drink? I on the shake.
You don't look person well before you serve this. Maybe now this guy money monger get.
Where is the guy?
What's the name?
High test.
I swear
I know why. If you check out now, 1 night. 1 night.
If you reach 1 night, make a
guy. What we do is, I will pay for this your drink, but at your condition.
Dorime.
Wait.
Senior man.
I like it. If I'm not I've never done Santos. Okay, I will pay for the drink. You have to work with us at the Santos. It's not working. It's not yet no problem until I pay. You will have to make sure.
Work for
the Santos.
Yeah.
You will do that.
You should be proud of working for the Santos home. Very proud.
And this one maybe I'll get my echo. I'm just trying to help the poor here. But you work for the money. It's not for free.
Make sure you collect our details so that you know go around your company. This kind of thing will run your company. No, you go pay for the hotel.
See our 4,000 naira down.
Let's go a room for the
Nigerian call. By the Nigerian junction. Only one day. I check your why you
say thank you, the Santos home. I can't hear you. You have to appreciate.
Chairman, as you take us, may we jump us now.
Boss, I'm a tell you.
Other for video no chesa baba we ababonten abetwetwe nsemu omo comment ye keka nsem omunim edifa video no ho ende ababa we abetwetwe nsem pa enye asem kitu anse ne beka kwete ntwemu ababa we edebetu dwa na me kan tap send ede amamuso wa mono na sa send iska ede abaga na efa mobile money bank account na se zip ko app store na se play store na ko download tap send bi say promo code no about party via the show ne a bonus ede account ho aye to hwe orafo ye ntwetwe mu ababa we edebetu dwa ede fa ni video na air trendy on social media no eso.
Hi everyone, so I decided to wear the same clothes with the same hair to address this issue I'm seeing online. First, this person posted it, then this person posted it, this person posted it, this person posted it, this person posted it, and this person posted it. Then this comment, are you guys seeing it? Okay, now, first, it is not the hotel manager that paid and gave me work. It is actually the manager of one real estate company, the Santos Home, that gave me work. They are into real estate. Because this comment I saw got me so annoyed that the manager will be sleeping. And another thing, they are putting on the write-up that I went to the hotel for hookup. I am not a hookup girl. I am not into hookup. Then this issue is just so complicated, but it's not as you people are seeing it. It didn't happen the way you people are seeing it. There's a way it happened. It was just so complicated. I will still come live. I will come live to say everything that happened, to talk about how everything happened. But first of all, I want to address this issue. One, I am not a hookup girl. Secondly, he's not the manager of the hotel that gave me work. Is the manager of the Santos Homes. They employed me as a realtor. I'm not working in a hotel. Please get your facts right before you post it out there. Thank you, everyone.
Other for an shema who drive away editor giant way a futu e kwama baba we nyina ye ne your boyfriend API just say mutaye ne order near ma ne board e bia na obubotom enso sa meso so baso a nso share na obi ansanka video fa comment eto ase medidi apna oso amofama kram ye besen share ebiem
Mr. Mankwa me ofase wo se ni ska bane de awie ni project no eso de bia me ofase ka ma ne wo problem
enemremu na monte tap sending ka
no so ne de
tap send ye easy fast and secured way ubetimi asend sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa a obaye ne say
kire ne say wonko app store na play store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma the pet TV shim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa friend aka a kire
tabi minyanwie esan say tap send at the good news aba tap send the gina the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba
no obey ne say
so your customer wo UK sisi a ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo obetimi atosusu nkakra enti abere sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu what me use sika e wo wallet no tie
ene se te say use momo Ghana hayru
sa pepepe se si tap send that na shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na papa no